The following is a highlight taken from this week's The Drone Show, a regular live stream from Geeksvana. There is a link in the description to the full show and Brooke's original video and channel. Okay, so we have recently, it's actually one of the our viewers, Steve from Serenity Drones, very kindly sent us an amazing story about a young lady called Brooke who has a YouTube channel where she does some amazing vlogs. And I've got chatting with Brooke, and she has an incredible story all about how she lost and then tried to find her drone, all in quite scenic, dramatic fashion, actually. And I've got a few clips from her recent video to play out, which Brooke has very kindly, hi Brooke, when you see this, very kindly allowed us to play out. Here's the first one, which will give you a bit of introduction to her story.
This is the island I crashed the drone on. Not very big, but very steep. I knew getting the drone back was going to be challenging. I started devising a plan to climb the island, but still wasn't sure how feasible this actually would be. The DJI app said the drone was located 958 feet from the start location on the beach and 127 feet up. It was pinpointed on the top right corner, so that narrowed down the search area to here. I did a recon mission to figure out the best way to get to the island from the ocean. After much deliberation, I decided that going during high tide and in a kayak would give me the most height and therefore the best chance for actually climbing onto the island. I determined what I thought would be the easiest and safest route. I had to free solo up the rock cliff and then climb through the vegetation to the top right corner of the island. The water below was plenty deep with a nice sandy bottom, so I knew that if I fell, I wouldn't die. Sorry, Mom, for what you're about to watch.
Yeah, so that's the introduction to what happened. You saw the crash at the beginning there. And so her plan was to basically approach that huge island, huge rock island, and she's going to free solo climb up the side of the island, which is pretty dramatic.
Instincts kicked in.
Yeah, she said, "I'm sorry, Mum."
Go up there. What are you doing?
Would you like to see what she did?
Oh my gosh, I don't.
This was my first oh shit moment of the day.
It's crazy, isn't it? So she made it to the top, as you can see. I'm loving the reactions in the chat there. It's absolutely fantastic. Andy Key says, "Yep, I think I'd leave that." I have to say I'm there, but you have to respect. She is a true droner. She's getting that drone back.
She is a badass.
Yeah, yeah.
Wow.
And Master Stupid said, "Imagine going up there and a seagull grabs your drone and carries it away." Well. Well, the action doesn't stop there, and in fact, the island kind of bites back. Insects and the island itself kind of bites back while she's trying to hunt things down. Let's catch up with Brooke in the next clip.
drone. I hope this is right. Where's the sound? So I've been climbing for an hour and a half so far on this island, and I thought my drone was supposed to have a alarm, like a sound that I could turn on and hear it. But apparently, I think according to a quick Google search, that sound only works if the drone is turned on and has battery. And it's been 3 days since I lost it, so I had to come up with a plan and then come out and recon it. And so it's not on anymore. So there's no sound. So I'm just wandering around trying to fucking stumble upon it, and I shattered my GoPro. I walked into a wasp nest and got stung on my head. Hornet's nest, not wasps. Greater banded hornets. They are giant and scary. I got stung twice.
Crazy. So she got stung on her head by a hornet.
She's so
Yeah.
beautiful as well. I'm
Yeah.
like, oh my god, don't.
She's
fall
hardcore though. She's absolutely fantastic. We'll catch up with Brooke's story in a
gosh.
moment. Just to say thank you very much for Metro Drones for the $10 super chat. Hey droners. I hope you like our new super chat music. That's going to get played every time we get a super chat these
Yes.
days. A little bit of fun, shall we say? Okay, so now we're going to catch up with Brooke while she basically tries to continue searching and on a tough search, especially with the app not giving her the right data, etc.
It's been 2.5 hours. I am in the exact spot that it should be, according to the DJI app. Like, this is exactly where it should be, and I can't fucking find it. And because it doesn't have the alarm, they really need to fix that. The alarm should happen whenever you get within range. That would be smart. You'd think for the amount of money I paid for this, I would have that. Oh my god, I'm so fucking tired of this. It's been 3 hours and I can't find it. The fucking map, like, it won't show me an accurate location of where I am. The map had my current location wrong the whole time. These screenshots were taken when I was resting and hadn't moved. Sometimes it said I was places I couldn't physically be. Oh my god. It is what it is, I guess. At least I tried.
So yeah, unfortunately, trying to, after all that, hours and hours of searching, being stung by hornets, cut up to, really, really, really difficult. But then she turns around and Brooke.
Oh my god, I found it! Oh fuck, yes! It's hella broken. I found it! And now to get back down, I'm jumping into the water. I'm not climbing, like, I'm hot, I'm thirsty. Ah! Oh, yes! This is where the drone actually was. And you can see the map has both my location and the drone location wrong. I just need to figure out how to get down a little bit further because I don't want to jump this high. It's over 100 feet up. I was able to climb down a bit more and
And then she jumped. She had a waterproof bag with her, so she was able to put everything in that.
Do you know what? I was just thinking that. No, don't jump up.
Don't jump.
You've literally just undone everything you've prepared for.
But to me, that is the true droner instinct. I'm gonna find it. I don't care if it's broken. I don't care if it's trash. As Johnny Mac 26 says, refresh, DJI refresh. So yes, Lindsay Hayes, yes, she did jump, which unfortunately didn't get caught on camera, but there's a sand, it's soft sand underneath the water there, so she felt like she was safe from that point of view. So thank you, Brooke, for letting us share that. Brooke on Foot is the channel. There's a link in the description. The video's had 150,000 something views so far, but she very, very kindly allowed us to share it with the audience this evening.
What a
which
letdown
is,
for the map, though.
I know, it would be
'Cause
frustrating.
I was just saying to you as well, wasn't I? Oh
Yeah.
my god, the accuracy on that's amazing.
Yeah, exactly.
And then, in fact, it was contradictory.
Yes.
That's such a letdown. I'm so happy for her. I was like this. Watching.
It's just this reaction, isn't it?
Oh my god, I found it! Oh my yes!
I just love that reaction. It's absolutely fantastic.
Please remember to like and subscribe.
All right, you're still here. No in the seat.